Chinki Drawing Arts! Today, we're drawing something deep, daring, and a little spooky. It's an angler champfish! Grab your black marker, and let's get started on this fantastic adventure. Let's begin with the outline. Don't worry, just follow along with me step by step. Draw the first shape. Now, add this curve here. Great job! You're doing amazing! Who knew drawing could be this much fun, huh? Now, let's finish the rest of the shapes and details. Take your time, little artist. We're not in a race. There you go! Our outline is ready! Now comes the fun part. Let's go over the lines to make them bold and bright. Use your marker and trace slowly. Steady hands and proud hearts. It's coloring time! Are you ready to bring your art to life? Red like apples, blue like sky.
You must try this.
Grab your markers, paint and pen.
Brown color, like tree trunks and yummy chocolate.
Draw with me. Sun and moon and a buzzing bee. Dots and dashes, line by line. Chinky makes it super fine. Draw a fishy in the sea.
Wow, look how cool your drawing looks already.
Toe to top, we won't stop. Flip, flop,
Slow and smooth.
Chinky's
Ooh,
colors make you
look at
smile
those
so
colors
wide.
shine.
Nice.
It's looking better than ever. Subscribe to Chinki Drawing Arts for more fun and easy drawings.
We make art in every way. Chinky's world is bright and fun. Let's keep drawing, everyone.
And you did it! Just look at your drawing. It's bright, it's bold, and it's beautiful. Just like you. Give yourself a high five. You worked so hard, and it totally shows. Before we go, don't forget to share your artwork with someone you love, make them smile today, and hit that thumbs up if you had fun drawing with me. See you soon, little artists. Keep